fine.
Hello. Okay, me and Maddie are at Taylor's house. I did Maddie's makeup.
Oh God.
It looks beautiful. Let's have a closer look.
Dun 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 dun.
I hate you. I think it's about to fall. Why did you do my lips? Just
Okay. Okay, are you ready to see it, Maddie? Do you want to see it?
Wait, she didn't see it yet?
This is the mirror. See it in
This
the
is
camera? Let's record her reaction.
I'm scared.
Oh my God. Dun, 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 dun.
I hate you.
I love you.
I'm sure you do. That's why you had to destroy
You look
me.
beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Say bye, Maddie.
Bye.
Say bye, Taylor.
Bye.
Bye. Dun dun dun.